Bell ringers at Beverley Minster sound a welcome to the town before major services. But to preserve this British tradition, major bell restoration work was needed.
Some of the parts were starting to wear out. They've been in use for 123 years, and there was some little problems sneaking in, but the main problem was the headstock, the gudgeon which the bell pivots on, had come loose in the headstock. The stuff that you'll see going up at was last down here in 1901. So it's been away for the last 4 weeks, having new sections done, and as much 1901 stuff as possible is being kept. So it'll stay in use, hopefully for another 120 years.
The repaired structure has to be winched 120 feet up to the Minster's belfry, and there's only 5 bell-hanging companies left to carry out this unique work.
We're refurbishing a lot of the fittings. This is one of the bow wheels, and we put new rims on them. The old rims had got a bit rotten. The nails that held them together was all rusting, so they were falling apart. Nowadays we put everything together with stainless steel screws, so hopefully it will last longer. We keep preserving our old churches all over the country. Unfortunately, less and less people use the churches now on a Sunday, but we still keep maintaining them.
Here, the renovation has been to preserve faith along with heritage.
The 10 bells here are classed by many people as the finest peal of 10 bells ever cast, and they have special significance to various people. But if we lose our heritage, then we don't have anything. But also bells are a sign of the Christian church and calling people to prayer.
Thanks to the repairs, the bells can keep ringing here for many more years to come. Anna Riley, GB News, Beverley.